If you clicked on this video, there's a high chance that you chose to study medicine, but maybe your JAMB score is not enough for medicine, or you just don't feel like studying medicine for 100 years. Well, in this video, I've made a list of 12 alternative courses you can go for instead of medicine. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure you just like this video right now and subscribe to my channel, because my channel is all about study tips, universities, and courses you can go for as a student. Disclaimer, in this video, I use some salaries that are estimated figures. That does not mean that when you get out of school, that's the salary you'll be earning. It's just an estimated figure. That's a range of salary you can be getting when you leave school. You get. So it's not really the literal salary you get. You understand? Now let's go right to the video. As number 12, we have physiology. Now, what is physiology? Physiology is the study of how living organisms, including humans, function at all levels, from the cellular level to the whole body, and how it interacts with the environment. That is what physiology is. Now, there are some job opportunities that other physiology, but it's not a lot. The few I can mention now is secondary school teacher, to become a lecturer, and the most popular route is by going into research or postgraduate. That is your master's and your PhD. So those are the opportunities that are under physiology. Now, what's your salary expectation? Salary expectation is between 50K and 200K, and that's your starting salary expectation, between 50K and 200K. Now, which schools offer physiology as a course? We have University of Lagos, we have University of Ibadan, we have University of Benin, we also have Babcock University, and some other universities like that. You can make a research to discover if your university actually offers physiology as a course. Now, let's go to the 11th course on my list, which is anatomy. What is anatomy? Anatomy is a branch of science that is concerned with the structure of organisms and their parts, specifically focusing on the internal structure of organisms. So that's the defining difference between physiology and anatomy. Anatomy focuses on the internal structures, while physiology focuses on the external structures. Now, what is the difference in the job types? Now, job types you can get as anatomy is also a secondary school teacher. You can become a lecturer as well. You can also go into research or postgraduate, that is your master's and PhD, and you can also become a physical therapist. Those are other things you can do. So those are the job opportunities under anatomy. Now, what is the salary expectation for anatomy? If you're going to anatomy, you should expect to be paid between 50K and 200K as a starting salary, between that price range. So yeah, that's what we have under anatomy. It's not really that competitive a course, and it does not really have a lot of opportunities. Now, the next on my list is actually better than those remaining two. That is pharmacology. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is basically the scientific study of drugs, and it encompasses their origin, their composition, their effects, and potential toxicities. That's what pharmacology is all about. Job opportunities under pharmacology includes toxicologists. We also have medical sales representatives. We have policy officers, and then we also have lecturer or research. I'm going to research as postgraduates, masters or PhD. Get. So those are the job opportunities under pharmacology. Now, what is the salary range for pharmacologists? Pharmacologist salary range is also between 50K and 200K, depending on your skill, the job type you are going for, and the company you are going for. Now, which schools offer pharmacology as a course? Pharmacology is offered in University of Lagos, Lagos State University, Olabisi Onabanjo University, University of Osun State, and then we have Abuad Afebawalola University, Ado-Ekiti. Those are the universities that offer pharmacology as a course. Now let's go to the next course, the ninth on this list, public health. Now, what is public health? Public health is focusing more on protecting and improving the health of populations rather than individual patients. So they use organized outreach methods and community methods. Basically, we have example like the polio, fight against polio, kwashiorkor, and a normal general illnesses that affect population. So public health officers are the one that is in charge of that. Now, what are the job types under public health? We have epidemiologists, we have health and security officers, we have policy officers, we have environmental health officers, and other job types like that under public health. Now, what are the salary expectations for public health? Public health salary expectation is between 50K and 250K, 50K and 250K. So it depends on your skills and the job type you're going for and which company you're working for. That's what it depends on. Now, which schools offer public health? We have IMSU, Imo State University. We have ABSU, Abia State University. We also have now National Open University, Nigeria. And then I think we have Nile University so far since and Abuad so far as well. But I make a research to find out if there's any other university that offers public health. Check if your university is offering public health as a course. And let's go to number 8 on the list, which is prosthetics and orthotics. What is prosthetics and orthotics? It is the study and practice of human limb replacement, basically. And the technological devices provided for human ambulation are called prosthetics. Orthotics are supportive devices that one can use to correct alignment, especially in the teeth and skeletal systems. So that's basically what prosthetics and orthotics mean. Now, we also have job types under prosthetics and orthotics. You can be a lecturer, you can be a prosthetics designer, you can be a prosthetics and orthotics specialist, you can also be a physiotherapist. So those are the job opportunities under prosthetics and orthotics. Now, what is the salary expectation for prosthetics and orthotics? It's between 80K to 400K. It just depends on whether you have your own business or the company you're working for or your skill level. But it's generally between 80K and 400K as a starting salary. And now let's go to schools that offer prosthetics and orthotics. I could find only two schools that offer this. I think there are three schools in total, but I'm having only two here, which is University of Medical Sciences, Ondo State, and we also have Federal University of Technology, Uwiri, Futo, and Unimed. Those are the two schools I know that offer prosthetics and orthotics. And it's a very, very good course. So I don't know why many people are not offering it. But it's a good course. You can check out those schools and you can go for those courses. Number 7, optometry. I learned about optometry from watching Figure and his friend, I forgot his name, that went to Unimed. So that's what optometry is. Now, what is optometry? Optometry is the healthcare practice that is concerned with examining the eyes for visual defects, prescribing corrective lenses, and detecting eye abnormalities. That's what optometry is. Now, what are the job types under optometry? So we have optometrists, we have ophthalmologists, we have optician, we have glaucoma specialists, and we have ophthalmic assistants. So those are the job opportunities under optometry. Now, what is the salary expectation for an optometrist? The salary expectation, the starting salary expectation is between 100K and 300K. These are the starting salary expectations for optometry. Now, which schools offer optometry as a course? So we have University of Benin, Unibem. We have Federal University of Technology, Uwiri, Futo. We have Abuad Afebabalola University, Adekiti. We have University of Ilorin, and we have BUK, Bayero University, Kano. Those are the universities that offer optometry as a course under basic medical sciences. Now, let's go to the next course on my list. Number 6 on the list is radiography. Now, what is radiography? Radiography is basically the study of different imaging techniques using X-ray, gamma ray, or other similar radiation to view the internal form of an object or the human body. So that's what we have as radiography. And what are the job types under radiography? We have a radiographer, obviously. You can be a lecturer. You can be an MRI specialist. You can be a sonographer or an ultrasound technician. You can be a RCT specialist. You can be a nuclear medicine technologist. Now, these are all the job types that you can find as a radiographer. And what is the salary expectation for radiographers? The salary expectation for radiography is between 100K to 350K. Remember, this is just an estimated figure. It could be higher, it could be lower, depending on your skill and the place you're working at. Now, let's go to the number 5 course on our list. We're already reaching our top 5 courses on our list. The 5th one I have here is MLS, Medical Laboratory Scientist. Now, what is medical laboratory science? It is a medical profession that detects and treats diseases by analyzing blood tissues and bodily fluids to help diagnose and monitor diseases. That's basically what MLS does. They are involved in testing for diseases and figuring out what is the problem. They're also the one that is in charge of conducting DNA tests and other related testing issues like that. Now, what are the job types under MLS? So obviously, you can be an MLS scientist, that is medical laboratory scientist. You could be an MLS specialist, and you could be a forensics manager. There are other courses under MLS as well, but you can make more research on that. Now, what's the salary expectation for MLS? 80 to 200K is the salary expectation for MLS. Schools that offer MLS, we have University of Lagos, Unilag. We have Imo State University, INSU. We have University of Ibadan, UI. We have University of Calabar, and we have ABU, Ahmadu Bello University. So these are the universities that offer these courses, and there's also some other universities that also offer MLS. You can make your research, confirm if your university offers the course as well. Now let's go to the 4th course on our list, pharmacy. What is pharmacy? Pharmacy is basically the process of making or preparing, preserving, compounding, and dispensing medical drugs. So it has everything to do with medical drugs. Now, what are the job types under pharmacy? Could be a clinical pharmacist. It could be a community pharmacist. Clinical pharmacists are the ones that work in the hospital. Community pharmacists are maybe the ones you can find in your environment that sell drugs and dispense drugs. You could be a consultant pharmacist, or you could also study doctor of pharmacy. That's a 6-year course, I think. Doctor of pharmacy is different. I think they are the one that is in charge of they also prescribe drugs as well, and they also maybe produce drugs. I'm not really sure. But those are the job types under pharmacy. Now, what is the salary expectation for a pharmacist? Salary expectation for pharmacy ranges from 150K to 400K. So you see there is a broad range, and it depends on your skill level and your company you're working at, whether you have your own business. But between 150K and 400K. Universities that offer pharmacy includes University of Benin, University of Lagos, Ahmadu Bello University, etc. Which universities so far pharmacy? Make your research. Does your school offer pharmacy or not? Is it accredited or not? Make your research. Now let's go to our top 3 courses. Our top 3 courses that are related to medicine. Number 3 is dentistry. Number 3 is dentistry. Now, what is dentistry? Dentistry is a branch of medicine that deals with health and treatment of the teeth, gums, and mouth. Now, what are the job types that are under dentistry? Includes general dentist, pediatric dentist, prosthodontist, periodontist, endodontist, and dental anesthesiologist. So these are the job types that are under dentistry. You can make more research on what all these job types mean, but they're all under dentistry. Now, what are the salary expectation for dentistry? Expected to earn between 200K to 500K. And that's not your starting salary. You can earn even more. But remember, it depends on your skill level, the job where you're working, and whether you have your own firm or not. You understand? So what are the schools that offer dentistry as a course? You have University of Benin, you have University of Calabar, you have University of Ibadan, you have University of Lagos Unilag, you have Obafemi Awolowo University, and you have University of Medical Sciences, Ondo State. So these are the universities that offer dentistry as a course. You can also make more research and check if your school offers dentistry as well. Now let's go to the top 2 courses on my list. What's the second one? This number 2 on my list is physiotherapy. What is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is basically a healthcare profession that deals with restoring, maintaining, and improving physical function. It is used to treat bone, joint, and muscle issues, including arthritis, back pain, neck pain, etc. So that is basically what physiotherapy is. Now, what are the job types that are under physiotherapy? We have orthopedic physiotherapists, we have cardiorespiratory physiotherapists, we have pediatric physiotherapists, and we have sports injury physiotherapists, and many more. So what is now the salary expectation for physiotherapy? Salary expectation for physiotherapist is between 150K to 300K. And remember, it's starting salary between 150 and 300K. It depends on your skill level and the company or whether you have your own firm. Now, what are the universities that offer physiotherapy as a course? We have University of Ibadan, we have University of Lagos, we have University of Benin, we have BUK Bayero University Kano, we have University of Ilorin. Those are the universities that offer physiotherapy as a course. There are also the universities that offer physiotherapy as a course, but you need to make a research and also check if your school offers physiotherapy as a course. Now, the number 1 on the list, I know all of you are already waiting for this course. I know all of you know this course. The number 1 on the list is nursing. Now, what is nursing? Nursing is basically a healthcare profession that deals with taking care or focus on taking care of individuals and families and communities. So basically, nursing is basically taking care of people. That's the main aim or goal of nursing or nurses. Now, what are the job types under nursing? We have public health nurse, we have critical care nurse, we have oncology nurse, we have pediatric nurse, we have geriatric nurse, and we have surgical nurse. So these are the job types under nursing. Now, what's the salary expectation for nursing? The starting salary expectation for nursing is between 70K and 200K. Starting salary expectation, you can earn more or less depending on your skill level and the company you're working for, the hospital you're working for, and whether you have your own thing or not. So it just depends on a lot of factors, but between 70K and 200K generally as a starting salary. Now, that's the top 1 course I have here. Now, which schools offer nursing as a course? So most schools offer nursing as a course. We also have school of nursing separately. We have Unilag, we have LASU, we have Uniben, OEU. Most schools offer nursing. And we also have school of nursing that also has nursing like Lutz, LASUT, another school of nursing like that has nursing. Make your research. There are different types of nursing. We have registered nurse and we have the DSU nurse as well. But you can make your research. If you want me to make any video regarding this topic, tell me in the comment section. All right. I hope this video was actually very helpful. I hope you found this very helpful. If you know you find this helpful, make sure you like this video. Comment in the comment section, what course are you going for at this point? Are you still going for medicine, or do you have another question to change to now? And if you want me to make a detailed video on any of the courses I mentioned in this video, just tell me in the comment section as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. If you have any video suggestion for me in the comment section, but I'm currently working on a video for engineering students. Watch out for that.